one of our teachers told us that he read a book on fasting, and mashallah, very nicely written book, about fasting, the benefits of fasting, Quran, Hadith, and all the medical, research and everything. And the author was from a country, one of the countries. So he said, I actually fell in love with that book after reading it because it had so much information in it. So when I visited that country, I wanted to visit the author of the country, of the book. So I made my way, we made some links, and I went to go see the author. And he brought a nice feast in front of us. It was the month of Ramadan. And, he brought this feast. He said, mashallah, you guys, you came to visit me, you can eat. So he said, brother, it's the month of Ramadan. He said, subhanallah, when did Ramadan start? When did Ramadan? He didn't know that Ramadan had actually started in one of the Western countries. But the book was so sophisticated, that everything was written in there, and he was the author.